Hello and welcome to today's podcast, where we're diving into a fascinating topic that sits at the intersection of technology and one of our planet's most pressing challenges, climate change. If you've ever been curious about how artificial intelligence is contributing to climate change solutions, then you're in the right place. I remember when I first started exploring this field. It felt like there was a lot of noise, but not enough clarity. So today, I want to share some rich insights, real-world examples, and even a few personal stories from my own experience in the trenches. What makes this discussion different from the countless articles you might find online is its practical approach. We're going beyond theory to look at actual implementations and the real challenges faced by teams on the ground. From startups to established environmental organizations, I've witnessed firsthand how AI transforms from just a buzzword into a tangible force for environmental good. Let's kick things off with some foundational concepts. AI, with its vast capabilities, is proving to be a game changer in addressing climate change. But it's not just about creating brand new solutions. It's also significantly enhancing existing ones. One of AI's standout abilities is its capacity to analyze massive, complex datasets much faster than any human could. This ability is crucial for predicting intricate climate patterns, optimizing our energy use, and even conserving precious biodiversity. It's amazing how these advanced algorithms are reshaping our approach. Just think about the scale of data involved in climate science. We're dealing with petabytes of satellite imagery, decades of weather readings, ocean measurements, and atmospheric data from all over the globe. Traditional computational methods just can't keep up with this flood of information. That's where AI shines, not just as a tool for data processing, but as a powerhouse for pattern recognition. It identifies subtle correlations across seemingly unrelated datasets in ways we humans never could. One area where AI is making waves is in predictive analytics. I was involved in a project where we used AI to predict extreme weather events. It was tricky, accounting for all the variables like atmospheric pressure and ocean temperatures, but the precision we achieved in forecasting hurricanes and heat waves was incredibly rewarding. AI's strength lies in its ability to learn from historical data, identifying correlations that might escape human observation. This empowers scientists and policymakers to anticipate drastic climate changes with unprecedented accuracy, potentially saving lives and mitigating economic damage. What made that project particularly challenging was the complexity of atmospheric dynamics. We integrated data from multiple sources, like NOAA weather stations, European models, real-time satellite feeds, and even social media reports from affected areas. Our AI model used ensemble learning, combining multiple machine learning algorithms to create more robust predictions. The breakthrough came when we discovered that traditional meteorological models were missing crucial feedback loops. Our AI system spotted combinations of sea surface temperatures, wind patterns, and moisture levels that were significantly more likely to trigger severe weather events. This insight has since been incorporated into early warning systems in several countries. AI's role in optimizing energy consumption is another celebrated contribution. From orchestrating smart grids that balance supply and demand in real time to designing energy-efficient buildings, AI identifies inefficiencies and recommends precise optimizations. Our global energy systems are incredibly complex, and a study by the World Economic Forum in 2024 indicated that AI-driven optimizations could reduce energy consumption by up to 15% in urban areas. That's a massive win for sustainability. The beauty of AI in energy management is its ability to continuously learn and adapt. Traditional systems operate on fixed schedules and rules, while AI can analyze real-time usage patterns, forecasts, and even predict equipment failures. I've worked with buildings where AI-powered systems reduced electricity consumption by 22% in just a year by learning when spaces were actually occupied and adjusting heating, cooling, and lighting accordingly. One impressive implementation involved a manufacturing facility that used AI to optimize its production schedule based on renewable energy availability. The system automatically shifted energy-intensive processes to times when solar and wind generation were at their peak, reducing the facility's carbon footprint by 35% while lowering costs. Now, let's talk about AI's profound impact on conserving biodiversity. One of my clients taught me how valuable AI is in this area. By using AI-powered camera traps and acoustic sensors, we can monitor wildlife populations and analyze vast ecological data from remote rainforests to oceans. This technology helps us identify species, track migrations, and even detect illegal poaching activities. AI uncovers patterns and predicts outcomes, like the impact of habitat loss on specific species that were previously beyond our reach. I worked on a project monitoring jaguar populations in the Amazon. Traditional methods required teams to spend weeks in the field, often without spotting these elusive cats. Our AI-powered camera trap network identified individual jaguars by their unique spot patterns, tracked their movements, and even assessed their health from gait analysis. We integrated acoustic monitoring, and our AI system learned to identify not just jaguar vocalizations, but the entire soundscape of healthy versus degraded ecosystems. This allowed us to predict ecosystem health with high accuracy and identify at-risk areas before visible signs of degradation appeared. As we delve deeper into these fascinating topics, let's explore some advanced insights. AI models, especially those using sophisticated machine learning, like deep learning, are becoming increasingly powerful. However, building a truly reliable and impactful AI model for climate solutions requires more than just computational power. You need a robust, clean dataset, and crucially, a clear understanding of the specific challenges you're addressing. This journey into the world of AI and climate change is both exciting and crucial. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this conversation has shed some light on how AI is making a real difference in tackling climate change. Stay curious and keep exploring the incredible possibilities at the intersection of technology and environmental science. Until next time.